You're throwing out food you forgot you even bought. A cluttered pantry hides expired cans and wastes real money every month. Here's how to fix it fast. Step 1. Pull everything out onto your counter. Check expiration dates and toss anything stale, opened, or past its prime. Wipe down every shelf with a vinegar water solution before anything goes back. Step 2. Sort what's left into simple categories: baking, snacks, canned goods, or grains. Group similar items together so you're not hunting through mismatched boxes later. Step 3. Transfer dry goods like rice, flour, and pasta into clear, airtight containers. Add stackable risers or a lazy Susan so nothing hides behind taller items. Step 4. Label every container and shelf, then place everyday items at eye level. Store heavier bulk items on the bottom shelf and lightweight snacks up top. Pro tip: never restock a shelf without pushing older items to the front first. That first in, first out habit stops repeat waste. What's your best pantry hack? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.